2004 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor Edition. We just did a muffler delete. We took both mufflers off and put two 4-inch stainless steel tips, rolled edge. Let you guys hear it. Go ahead. You see that police interceptor motor sounds different. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Go ahead and back it out. Not too bad. Sounds good. All it got, muffler delete and tips. It's a 2-inch system that comes on these factory. And it's true dual already. Police interceptor. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds mean.